Alrighty. Trig Learning Guide, first problem. I believe it's number 13. So all the problems in this set here, number 13, all come down to the same idea. We want to rearrange the equation until we can get, whoa, that's way bigger than I thought it was going to be. That is much more reasonable. We want to rearrange this equation until we can get the trig equation equal to some number. The trig function equal to some number. So I want to do normal solvey things to do that, which means I'm going to take this minus 2 and get it to the other side by adding it over. So I will end up with the square root of 3 times the cosecant of theta equals positive 2. And again, I'm trying to get the triggy bit by itself, so I will now divide by the square root of 3. So I will now have cosecant of theta equals 2 divided by the square root of 3. And at this point, you're probably thinking like, hey, we don't like to put square roots in the bottom. And yeah, you're true, but 2 over root 3 is a little weird, as is cosecant of theta. I would much rather think of this in terms of its reciprocal. Well, what is the reciprocal of cosecant? Well, the reciprocal of cosecant is sine. So if I want to look at this not as cosecant of theta, but as sine of theta, all I have to do is take the reciprocal of the other side as well, which means flip that fraction. So if I flip that fraction, I get root 3 over 2, which is a number we know around the unit circle. So where does that happen? I usually draw a little reference unit circle like this, and I think to myself, all right, well, where do the root 3 over 2 values occur? Well, they happen at the pi over 3, so they're going to happen there, 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 and there. So theta will equal, theta will equal pi over 3, and theta will equal 2 pi over 3, and those should be the only two solutions because this is a positive root 3 over 2, so I only want those top two solutions because on the unit circle, sine is y, and those bottom two would be negative y values. So theta equals pi over 3 and theta equals 2 pi over 3 should be our solutions.